Pydantic AI provides a robust framework for systematically evaluating agent behavior through its dataset and case abstractions. This code snippet demonstrates initializing a dataset with a named case, then synchronously evaluating a provided agent function against this defined test case. From Pydantic evals import case, dataset. Dataset equals dataset. Name equals agent eval. Cases equals. Case name equals capital question. Inputs equals what is the capital of France. Expected output equals Paris. Report equals dataset. Evaluate sync me agent function. This episode introduces Pydantic AI's dataset and case classes, which facilitate systematic testing of AI agents. A dataset aggregates multiple case instances, each defining a specific test scenario with an inputs string and an expected output string. This structured approach enables developers to define clear evaluation criteria for agent behavior. The dataset evaluateSync method then executes the defined test cases against a provided agent function. This synchronous evaluation mechanism allows for straightforward integration into existing test suites, returning a report object that encapsulates the test results. This pattern is crucial for ensuring agents perform as expected across a range of predefined prompts and desired responses. Let's break it down line by line. From Pydantic evals import case, dataset. Imports case and dataset from the Pydantic evals library, making these classes available for use in the current scope. Dataset equals dataset. Initiates the creation of a dataset object. Name equals agent eval. Assigns the string literal agent eval to a parameter named name. Cases equals. Initializes a list named cases. Case name equals capital question. Inputs equals what is the capital of France. Expected output equals Paris. Instantiates a case object, naming it capital question and assigning what is the capital of France as its input and Paris as its expected output. Report equals dataset. Evaluate sync me agent function. Calls the evaluateSync method on the dataset object, passing myAgent function as an argument, and assigns the returned evaluation report to the report variable. The Pydantic AI dataset and case classes provide a structured method for evaluating agent behavior. By instantiating a dataset with a name and a list of case objects, each defined with a name, specific inputs, and an expected output, developers establish clear evaluation criteria. The dataset evaluateSync method then synchronously executes these defined test cases against a provided agent function, returning a report that encapsulates the results. This pattern ensures systematic testing, allowing developers to verify that agents perform as expected across a range of predefined scenarios. The core insight here is that by separating the definition of test cases from their execution, Pydantic AI enables a declarative approach to agent evaluation, making test suites both readable and maintainable.
Dataset plots case. Agent's journey begins. A report seals its fate.